Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Ampere Dusk Lite Electrochromatic smart glasses. So here is the polarized tester. These have polarized lenses on it. And if we take a quick look here on the back of the box, it shows you some details, but they will be in the description. We'll get a little bit closer to these important facts. They block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. They have 4 preset tint levels. They're chargeable, magnetic connection for the charging cable, and you can pair it to the phone via app, and they're Ipx4 Waterproof, and they have polarized lenses. So this is a polarized lens test right here. So there it is on the darkest setting, and then we press the button on the side, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're back to that. And here's some more info about the glasses right there. So we can tell the polarize does work. We'll show that one more time. So here are the lenses. We're going to pull this up a little bit, take a look. It's a nice design. So these are the light models. They don't have the audio. You can get the regular, it has the audio built in so you can hear it over here. They have a new pair coming out soon, but these are at a good price right now. So I would definitely recommend getting a pair of these. Like I said, they pair to the phone, but you can use the button on the side to adjust the tint level again. It's pretty cool. Also on the app, you can adjust it. Here's the button, and that's also where you pair the magnetic cable that comes in the kit. There's the button right there. So if you don't want to use the app that day, you can just press the side button. So really neat, definitely great for sunny environments. And they also come, you can get it with a charging case, and we'll show that in a future video, so be sure on the lookout for that. This is the Ampere Dusk Lite. Now there's another model, like I said, with audio, but these do not have that. They're just to change the electrochromatic lenses, and they are polarized. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.